Hype price prediction. We are ready to long very soon. We just took profit on a massive shorts while I was recording the last video on the channel. You can just go back and watch it. I won't waste a second of your time, so hit the like button and let's start the hype price prediction. So what we're waiting for right now is us touching this area 42.47, where we have around $2-3 million worth of loans to get liquidated. 42 and 41.8. So from 41.8, let's mark it on the chart to 42.2. So around here, where this week lows is where a lot of people have taken the the wise decision to put their stop losses. So we want to take them out and start buying up with good liquidity, with good volume, to a potential good move to the upside. This is exactly how I'm planning to trade this hype momentum. We're up to 162 grand on meme coins. I'm taking a pause right now. 28 grand to this wallet. If you want to learn my strategies, use the link in the description down below. I've priced everything super cheap, my signals chat, my course, and also I'm currently switching to BloFin from Niki. If you are a new user and you want to claim $30 of bonuses and a 50% spot fee discount, just check it out. I think it's worth it. I'm making the switch. I'm out. And there's also other surprises from there. So hype again, we're gonna wait for this dump to the 42.2 to 41.8 area, and from there we're gonna be buying up the dip for a potential reversal. See you next video. This video is no financial advice.